Hi, my name is Andreas, and in this short tutorial I want to show you how to change a CSS variable with JavaScript. So we have a simple HTML structure including a CSS file, a JavaScript file in the body, and one text, a heading, hello Scrimba, and an input of the type color where we could change the color here, but nothing happens yet. In the CSS file, on the root, we define two color variables or two CSS variables with colors, the background color and the text color, which is used on the HTML and body node here for the background and the text color. So the text right now is blue and the background color we set to red here. If you want to change the background color now and do that in JavaScript, we can access the document, and there the document element style set property, and our set property can change background color, for example, to this. So now we have a green background color, and we changed it completely via JavaScript. So no matter where this variable is used now, it would have a green value, so you could use it anywhere in your CSS and it would be set to green now. Now if we want to, for example, change the text color, when we change this color input, we first need to get the color inputs, and for that we can use the document query selector and use the query selector all to get all nodes. Right now I only have one color input, but if I would have multiple, I might want to fetch all of them. And we do that by selecting every input of type color, and then via for each we go loop through these input fields. We have a function here where we get the single input, and here on this color input we could set an event listener, and when we want it, whenever the user moves here, the event would be input. And again, the second parameter would be our function event. And all we need to do here now, again, is document element, style, set property. And instead of the background color, we change our text color variable. And instead of setting here a fixed value, we use the current color inputs value. So if we reload now, we see initially here we had red, it got changed to green by our JavaScript. And now when I go to the color input and change the color here, the color of the text changes too. In this way, you can set a CSS variable, in our example, a color, via JavaScript with the set property method on the style declaration of your element. Thank you and bye.